All right, let me see. I've got a couple of things. I was playing around with some shit. That's probably not going to live.
When's the cooking stream? We will do an IRL cooking stream if
What?
I hit 500 followers on Twitch.
What a fucking terrible goal. Oh my god. How many are you at right now?
It's happening. Like 200 maybe.
Oh, nice one, Callie. Good smart creature.
Well, let's make sure to clip that and like post it somewhere so that way we remember.
Yeah, for sure. So one of the things that I did.
I said 500. If we hit 500 Twitch, music. 500 Twitch followers, you do an IRL cooking stream. Check debug.
Yeah.
Oh, did you push up the update that got rid of the sticker that wasn't supposed to be there or no?
I might not have pushed it up, but I definitely have it.
I mean, like, did you put it on Steam? Is it on Steam?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe I did, but I don't remember.
If you don't think so, then it probably isn't. Oh, that's funny. What's that? The FPS is down here now. Didn't it used to be up here?
Nope, never has been.
No.
The Steam overlay has an FPS
Steam
thing.
overlay. Yeah, I'm thinking Steam overlay. Yeah, that definitely feels maybe smoother. It's still a little.
Yeah. So I got a couple things that I want to show really quickly, which was I was playing around with. Huh?
I was gonna ask if there was any other things that you think might help, but
do you have VSync turned on your in-game?
VSync on or off? Yeah, it's on.
If you set the frame rate to higher than 60, does it do anything? I guess it's only 60 or unlimited, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it feel better when it's
go up to
unlimited, or is
80.
it about the same?
Nah, it still feels a little bit like it's stuttering.
So, go ahead and set it to VSync enabled, which will limit it back to 60. And then just for a second, hit F11 to put the game in full screen. Does that feel?
That's like a billion times smoother, yeah.
Yeah, it's because like the frames are being intercepted by like whatever, whenever. Whereas full screen is like direct out to your monitor.
I see.
Yeah, I want to say honestly,
fix for that
I hate to say it, I think the smoothing issue that I had on Windows like disappeared whenever I swapped to Linux. Like the because I also had the same thing where like the game felt choppy whenever I was streaming, but
yeah.
Anyways, so one of the things that I was playing around with was the map drawing again, if you remember this thing where it was like drawing the map.
Do I have the right stream open? Hold up, let me check.
I assume
I'm not seeing. Oh, for some reason your stream isn't showing up properly on my. There we go.
Oh, on like your overlay or
on my OBS, yeah. No, yeah,
this is fun,
now.
by the way. This looks really funny.
Oh, that does.
Yeah, it's because it's rendering like bad memory. But I was just playing around with this to.
Yeah, I don't know if that's practical, but.
Yeah, one of the things I keep hitting F, but one of the things that I was trying to do was make it so that I have it disabled here. That's annoying. Oh shit, ignore that. I was trying to space them out based on like what their size was. So I what these numbers are is like how big the room is. So if it's something that we want to do at some point, we actually can tell effectively how big the room is by just like checking the navigation region and saying like how much space does the thing cover.
Yeah.
But that was just a for fun thing that I'm gonna revert.
Yeah. Yeah.
The other
it
thing
is cool. I don't think it's very practical.
Yeah. I do want to have a some sort of display while you're in the room that kind of shows you where you are, or at least like some option to do that, because someone brought that up during the GodotCon playtest, and I actually agree very much, because some of these rooms can be very large. Like room 11 is fucking massive, and you can be anywhere in this room. I think I had, oh yeah, there we go. So I actually had this thing where it was showing where the player is in the room, which was fun. Which is actually like very handy for telling like where you can or can't go. So like I can just play the game looking at like where Dante is. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just like giving them.
I still don't think it's super necessary, but
Yeah. So that's the thing. The other thing, so I sent you a message earlier that was like, oh man, I wish Biddy could make content, and then the monkey's paw curling. Do you know what the monkey's paw is?
no.
So it's like you make a wish, and the monkey's paw curls. I need to turn on shared chat. And it's like your wish is granted, but then there's like some like pretty negative downside to it, or some unexpected downside. And so I was like, I want to work on some content. So I was working on re-implementing the hammer. Because
you're evil.
Well, because like there's a lot of cool ideas for the hammer now that it like actually uses an ability system that actually works. So one of the things that I was playing around with was you hold left click and it does a spin, and then after it like spins enough, it's spinning very slow, but eventually it picks up. And then we could have it like slam into the ground and actually like pop the player up. But I don't know, because I feel like it could be a fun weapon. It isn't currently.
Yeah.
But it could be a fun weapon.
It could be.
It could be. I also want to add the what was the I want to add melee damage. That's funny as fuck, Tone. Wishes to make music for a game. Hello, I'm JW. I guess so. I guess it's time to make music for this thing. Man, I wish I had more people to play games with.
Worst person.
Hi, I'm Tone. Do you want to get into Warframe, JW?
What if we did the Slay the Spire daily? Sorry, my bad.
Not even the new daily. It's yesterday's daily, which was terrible.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
I could make the hammer movement, or the hammer entirely movement based. What if it was like a hammer where like it like spins, and then whenever you let go, it like throws Dante in the direction of the hammer, and then he like lands.
I hate that.
Okay, well we need more movement things because people are like, we want cards that do movement stuff. This is cool.
But like unpredictable movement.
It's not unpredictable. What?
But it's like
you hold left click, you point in the direction you want it to go, you let go of left click, and it just like it like launches you. It's not unpredictable. It's called mastery. It's called high skill ceiling. All right. So let me actually reverse some of these changes, because some of these are fucking terrible. Okay. But
I don't know what am I doing?
I don't know. Probably not much. That's okay.
Yeah, probably not much.
That's probably okay. I don't know
Why
if
do I have Worm Room open? Oh yeah, I was fixing the music in there because it was wrong. Phased kind of works mostly. We still need a shader for like the player or something cool.
Do you want me to do that or?
Nah, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh yeah, poison, right? We wanted to figure out how to like push those out or
how to what? Oh, that. Yeah. Just let me do that, I would say.
Okay. Oh yeah, because we figured out the thing with like the areas.
Hmm?
Ooh, I just forgot about that. The area 2D or the collision shape has functions for handling overlaps.
Do you remember the function for what that was called?
Yeah, it's on collision shape 2D. If we just go to collision shape 2D, it is.
It's just in everybody. It is.
Where'd it go? Am I looking at the wrong thing? Oh, it's shape 2D. I'm stupid. Collide. No. Collide and get context. That's what it is.
Have you pushed that up by chance? Oh, you did apparently.
I think, yeah. Because remember, I pushed it up because it like doesn't do anything yet.
Why is there a console.print physics server 2E?
I don't know.
What the hell is that?
Probably because I was like halfway through writing a script and I like pushed it up when it wasn't done. Okay. Dante heirloom skin when? Good question.
Good question. Bind, spawn. Actually, I don't know what my binds are. Combine
Do a
all.
similar thing to how Ori's dash works, like how it slows time and lets you choose the direction of the dash. That could be cool for like a card. I want to have a card that like is like a sword that lets you like dash with it. There's definitely some other ones. I don't remember how all the movement stuff works, so I'll have to make Biddy do all that. Cause I am lazy and I don't feel like doing that.
So let me see. Push or not push.
Let's draw something. What are we drawing today, chat?
Get shape owner. So what is get shape owners do? Is this a bunch of RIDs, I'm assuming? What the fuck? Weird. I don't know what the hell this could even be. Oh, this is only body entered. I don't give a fuck about body entered right now.
That's crazy.
Not that crazy. Okay, so it's just ID 0. And when's the League Classic stream? I hate you. I hate you, I think.
That's not very nice.
Yeah, that's true. So the area 2D has what? Push area dot shape owner get shape count ID.
Another door drinking stream when.
Mm-hmm.
You can schedule it sometime.
You have to take a shot every time you take the other door. Every time you go for another round.
Okay, sounds good.
You can't participate because you can't drink.
Darn.
So push area shape owner.
Yeah, it's still
shape,
pretty stuttery.
IDI console.print.
Oh,
Is this
looking-
gonna return the actual shape, or what is this gonna return? Circle shape.
At least the stream isn't laggy.
Yeah.
It's just the my monitor. Wonder if there's any like monitor settings I could change. Probably not.
I do want to make a sword that kind of like does a dash through or something.
Yeah.
Like something cool. Something anime. You
Like-
know?
Player inside B, but like directional and like big.
Weird. It feels like we would
What?
have a note written down about that.
Yeah, we would definitely. I need add sounds for phased.
So this is a collision shape. Or no, this isn't a collision shape. What the fuck? What?
Oh, the skeleton guy still doesn't have a health bar, by the way. I thought you said you fixed that.
It does. You haven't pulled changes then, it seems.
Oh, okay. Maybe I didn't.
Because he does, yeah. It's also, he spawns the wrong Gibbs.
Yeah. I need to like redraw the skeleton guy. He's kind of ugly and hard to see. Maybe that's what I could do today.
Local transform. Local transform. The method needs a transform matrix for the shape the shape collisions with. The transform matrix of that shape. What in the fucking world do you mean? Local transform. So I'm trying to think of like what the... What? Where is... What am I checking this on? This is Poison Cloud, yeah. It's Poison
Yeah.
Cloud. As long as this... Okay, so this is position 0, so this is fine, probably. Check this one, actually. There we go. So I can do probably just a transform 2D.identity, I'd imagine. Since this needs to be local, I'm assuming local to the area. Although I don't 100% know. Holy shit, RuneScape time. Shape. Wait. Oh no. Oh, I see. Kinda. Weird. Body dot get shape? No. Physics server 2D dot body get shape. Body RID and body shape index.
Why are there 200 errors?
Because you haven't pulled the changes that I pushed up yet.
Yeah.
Where I fixed that error specifically.
Yeah. I forgot you like to do stuff.
Okay, I don't think this is what we want, to be honest. Or it might be, but it's very weird.
I don't see what else we would do, but
what is this do? Shape transform is transform of... Is this relative to the... I wish they gave us a little bit more information on this. Like, local transform is obviously, or maybe not obviously, but this feels like the transform relative to the area. Shape transform, however, I don't know what it wants. Is it... I'm just going to do transform to identity, I think. And we're going to see what happens.
oh yeah, but it was really funny. I was talking to Surd, the streamer. Their name is Surd, or some random dev, some ran dev. They go by Surd. I was talking to them about their music player and how I was pulling the MP3 tags and like was having issues with that. And it's really funny. They said that how they set up theirs is they just made a custom resource and put in the song and the album.
Oh,
like I said I was going to do.
Evil mode.
Which is so funny.
Wait,
so they said for like their 200 song playlist, they manually went through and filled out every single song title and album. Which is very, very funny.
I hate that this doesn't... Physics, body as physics, body 2D. Can I get an area off of this or a shape? Whatever. This will probably work enough. Hopefully.
Okay, there we go. Now everything should work fine.
Great, this crashed. And I can't even see the error. Okay, what is this? Can I call method shape owner get shape on? What is body? This doesn't get converted to a... Okay. Okay, dude. If I do body get shape, I can pass in the body ID and the body shape index, which gives me the shape RID, which is great and all, but like I don't... Can I get a... Get shape? Can I get a shape from an RID? Am I stupid? I don't know if I can actually. I'm trying to set up multiplayer in your game, but the other players keep jittering. You may need to do some sort of interpolation thing, but I actually don't know very much about multiplayer in Godot, to be honest with ya. Is there not... This really doesn't feel right.
Got the fire affinity. Which one do we want? Projectiles becoming ignited sounds too annoying. I don't want to do that. I'm lazy. I think enemies exploding sounds nice, but I feel like every single affinity is just when things die. Which I guess is fine, but...
Okay, let me think about a different way of doing this, because this is pissing me off and I don't want to do this. So, we have this thing and we want to detect whether or not it's currently... It needs to move away from a tile map. How can we do that? Let's kill this function. I don't like it. Let's... Physics process... Area, don't get overlapping bodies. What does this give me? Okay, so we have that. Let's say... What does this return? Is this just node 2Ds? It sure is.
Okay, so what about for the fire? What if it was like all hits have a chance to set things on fire? Or I guess all fire damage has a chance to set things on fire, which increases, and then once you get to a certain affinity, if something dies when it's on fire, it explodes into fire and spreads fire.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
So the hit on hit is like chance, and then the like dying is like guaranteed, but they have to be on fire.
Yeah, could also make it so that you're either immune to fire just based on affinity, or you can make it so that it takes longer to actually be affected by fire.
Yeah, probably just like immunity to fire after a certain number of levels. Okay, I think that sounds good. Let's get cooking. Metaphorically. I'm so slow. Grr. Where? I always forget where we have affinities. There we go. There they are.
Okay, maybe I'm lying. Maybe this shit's so weird. This shit feels so weird. I don't know why it's so difficult to get like a list of contact points, but I guess it is.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Can you even get a shape from a fucking from a tile map layer?
You should be able to.
How?
Okay, let me look. I'll find out for you.
Well, you just said like you should, as if like that was something that you knew that it could.
I mean, I would think that you would be able to.
I also, it's really weird because I have a shape RID and I don't know how to turn it into a shape.
I think you can do something with the physics server. I forget.
Mm-hmm. It turns the shape data, but it's not like the... I don't think that's the same thing. I guess I'll print this out and find out, but... Wow. That... Hmm? I have no fucking clue what that could ever mean.
I don't even remember what the function we were using before was. So I can't help, I don't know.
Let me see if could get shape from RID. Let me see. Let me take a look-see doodle at this real quick. So the method that we were looking at was collide and get contact, which is part of shape 2D. With shape 2D. I wonder if there's something inside of physics server, like a cast something. What was the, where the fuck is it? It's in like the space state 2D.
Yeah.
Intersect ray, intersect shape. Intersect shape will give you what? The collider ID, the RID, and the shape index of the colliding shape. That's great and all. Okay, this might actually be closer to what I want. Physics server 2D dot. Or no, sorry, it's the get world, get space. No, right space state.
How would I check if a target has a effect on it currently, like fire?
Why do I feel like this is a hard question to answer? What the fuck? Why
Yeah.
am I blanking on this? Hold on, sorry. Give me a second. Is there a has component? Or do you also want to get
Is
the
there
amount?
what? I just need to see if it has any amount of it on
Is there
it.
a util.has component function? I don't remember if that's a thing I made or not.
No.
Then you can just get component on the target with the effects type that you want.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
also made a util function called effect handler dot get effect handler, I think, or some shit like that, so that you can, let's see, yeah, there's effect handler dot get effect handler if you wanted to be able to do that. But yeah, if you just want to see if it's there, you should be able
So
to
I should be able to just do this. Okay.
I hope so. We'll find out. So space state dot, is it cast motion that I want? Physics shape query parameters 2D. Hey, viewers, get out
AI
of here.
viewers. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Wait, do I want the shape RID or just the shape? Guess I don't need a shape RID if I have the shape itself, right?
I should add view botting to my new stream setup.
All right,
I'm just
buddy.
kidding. I'm just kidding. Twitch, that was a joke. Please don't ban me.
We're killing you now. You've been killed.
No. It's over.
It's not that over, honestly.
Seems like I can play more Magic.
You're terrible, I think.
What? Not true.
I don't even... Did this do anything? Did this run? Apparently it is running. Cast motion. Oh, I'm stupid.
What?
Oops. Let's collide shape.
Why am I running this? This isn't gonna work. Because reasons, you know?
Hello. Hello. Sorry, I looked over and I saw my mouse immediately went to ban because we had just gotten an AI viewers message thing, and I see first time chat, and I'm like, oh no. Because like sometimes they do that where they're like,
bro,
they'll send one in,
targeted.
and then after it gets banned, they'll like wait like it after like a minute or so, it'll just send another one, and it's like, damn, bro.
That's crazy. That's a little mean.
Well, I didn't do it.
Yeah.
How's it going? A 4-character meme here. It's a little bit more than 4 characters, but you know, we fuck with it probably.
Fire stat? No. Yeah, fire stat.
Only do this once, right? So this gives me a normal. If I were to put this here, would this give me the correct normal? Oh my god, it does. Okay, I think I figured it out, JW. I think I figured it out.
I think I figured it out.
For collision in that.
What are you building? Biddy, now's your chance to explain the game without describing only mechanics.
No, I'm not doing that. You do it if you care so much about it, you fucker.
No. Well, they asked in your chat, so you have to explain it.
But we have a shared chat, so it's shared responsibility. And I'm fixing your mistake from last stream.
Okay, well, we are making Dante's 9, which is... We are making it is a Roblox game.
Yeah, it's a Roblox game. This
Dante's
is all made in
9
Roblox. This is new Roblox Studio.
An amazing, innovative roguelike where you play as a little cat trapped in hell, and you play cards in real-time combat. It's like Counter-Strike, but it was mixed with Slay the Spire and a little bit of Super Mario Bros.
What? What?
See, I told you I could explain it better than you.
What the fuck are you talking about, dude? What the hell is that?
I mean, look at this. Wait, hold up.
Holding up.
It's literally Counter-Strike. I just pulled
it's like a Warframe, but a platform fighter. Now hold on, Tony. You might be cooking with that one.
Did you know that Warframe has a fighting game built into it?
I wonder if...
Apparently it's horrible, but it does exist.
Did you know Dota has a fighting game built into it? Yeah, we can talk about horrible things here if we want. Actually, Dota is apparently kind of fun.
There we go. I got the... No, that's not a blue gem. It's just a regular... Can't even spin my knife. I forget... What is that skin even called? What the? Why is this guy... Oh. Biddy?
Yeah,
Biddy, please explain. What is this? Why are they doing this?
Because I had a debug thing turned on that you do that.
Please tell me this isn't like in the full build.
Are you pressing redeal?
I'm pressing F.
Pressing F? Oh, that's debug too.
It is really funny.
How do I tell you?
There's no way it's in the... I'm opening it up right now. Please don't tell me it's in here. Oh, I mean... No. Oh no. I'm scared.
Dude?
I'm scared.
What do you have to make the game still look so good? JW does the art, and I do the programming. Art, yeah. And I don't touch the art. And he touches the programming,
not
unfortunately.
Touch the art. Oh, I'm scared. What
are you scared of? Nobody's figured it out yet.
There we go. There's the correct FPS thing. I wonder if it runs better through Steam.
Probably because it's in release rather than debug mode, which means it doesn't have as many like breakpoint things.
Dog.
Yeah, what about it?
I'm sliming my program.
What? Nobody's noticed. We can just remove it. We've got to fix anyways.
Bro is not getting his treats tonight.
I hate you. Why do you have to make things so
no
weird?
No wet food for you.
You have to make things so weird. What the hell?
No catnip for you.
Why do you make things so weird?
I'm not. I'm just saying you're not getting your catnip.
I don't make things so weird as he's making things weird. Invalid access to property normal on base object of type string. Ah, shit. Wait, this isn't a
AI
fucking...
viewers.
What?
Thank you, Khaled.
See?
12.
Dude, I told you.
Get out of here.
I told you they show up in fucking droves. They show up in pairs.
I guess you're right.
Why is this... Wait, is this not... I might be stupid. Fuck. I might be dumb.
Oh yeah, I was actually gonna like test something and then I got distracted by like your random junk.
My junk.
Oh, don't say that.
Alright, buddy. Why is this
There's an
only giving
alternate
me
universe where
one...
computers had 2 specialized mice instead of 1 mouse and keyboard.
I didn't-
Honestly, that would be kind of sick. Like 2 mice and then there's like buttons on the side. Hold up, you might be cooking. What if it's a split keyboard, but the keyboards also act as mice at the same time? So you like slide them around.
Why are we reinventing the
I might be
Nintendo
cooking.
Switch 2
I might be cooking.
Joy-Cons?
Like iPhone.
Shit, did I
Like
hear
iPhone.
Roblox game? Fire Blast. No. Bad.
A fire blast. We are fire blasting you.
Oh, I get it. That's like
Oops.
his name. Wait a minute.
Invalid. Out of bounds. Oh, I forgot to like actually add the. I hate the dictionary editor here because I type in the numbers, but you have to click the little button to like actually add it.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
Hate it.
He hates it, by the way. Why is this
Yeah, guys.
only-
Official. I hate Godot.
Hmm.
How do you make the banners? Oh, like the waving banners.
Yeah,
in
they have a
the...
shader.
It is literally, yeah, it's just a flat texture with a shader on it that makes it wave back and forth.
Oh shit! I never showed
It's
you.
very
Oh my
simple.
god! I forgot that I did that a while back. But I was playing around with it. I can actually set up the shader. I can modify the shader so that we can have like an area, and whenever we put it near one of these like waving things, we can actually have the wind affect it more if we wanted. So like as the train goes by something, we could have it be blown by the wind.
Oh, maybe. Tone, I'm banning you.
What did he
You're
say?
weird.
Oh yeah, GW does go
Yeah.
poof.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a weird one. Get rest info only
There we
returns
go.
one object. If I were to do collide
It's
shape,
getting set on fire. Let's see if we add a
the
non-fire
fuck?
card. This should not set it on fire.
so what is collide shape? I guess I'll add these to the points. Whatever. I guess.
Yep, that doesn't set things on fire.
The Dwarf Fortress music just started playing. It makes me happy.
And that does explode.
So this
JWA
returns
moving so fast. It's giving me anxiety. What?
Page
What do you mean?
The first one in the
I'm locked in.
the first one is in the shape passed in. Second
Okay.
one is the collided shape from the
All of
physical
that does
space.
work properly.
What?
BD, for right now, I'm just going to spawn the fire thing that we're spawning for like the slime and stuff. We can swap that out for like a better fire explosion thing at some point.
Okay.
Or like a fire drop. Because currently it works pretty well. It just like if it lands on like a one tile platform, it like doesn't spread very far. So
Okay.
just making it so it actually spreads more. I'll put like a to-do note that'll get lost and forgotten forever.
It'll get lost in the sauce.
Yeah. I think if I just look up this like magma slime. Magma. Like I
Is
can't
this-
type.
Soul.print. So hello.
Magma slime.
Wait. Why do I feel like I knew how to say that word until I started speaking? What the fuck? Simulacrum? Is it not?
Yeah, it's 'cause
Isn't there
spelled
usually
weird.
an A in there?
Yeah, there is.
Okay, yeah, simulacrum.
Simulacrum.
Why the
Simulacrum.
What? Why the fuck do you know that word?
Because Apex Legends.
Oh, I hate you. It's like
Warframe, yeah, Warframe too. But
it's so
First one's
fucked up.
Apex
It's like
Legends.
whenever that dumb motherfucker in the group somehow like knows like the Peter Griffin clip about the fucking oh my god, what the fuck was the book name? There's no way you read that book. What was it? Yeah, like whenever Peter woke up and the doctor was like, this should explain everything, and he showed him the book called A Farewell to Arms, and Peter was like, no way, and then he like
Oh, like the
recapped the
Enter the
plot,
Gungeon
and the doctor
update.
goes, no way you've read that. Dude, okay, so I had to find this. Can you put video vision on for a second?
You're on screen. Yeah.
So I had to find this, and here is the place that I ended up finding this. There is apparently a Family Guy fandom wiki. Where it just...
Why?
What? What? Why is this here?
What is this?
Hello, Leia Sluger. How's it going? Lehigh Sluger. Lehigh Sluger.
We're looking at the Family Guy wiki.
We're Family Guying it.
I need a little corner in my screen. Corner in my screen for Family Guy clips.
Why don't you scream?
I'll have like a triple stack of Warframe, Family Guy, and Counter Strike. I need to think about this one. Because there's like do Counter Strike. Yeah, I think Counter Strike clips would be good.
Ooh. Wait.
You guys think the Family Guy fandom has a shipping culture like a UPS or
Yeah,
FedEx?
probably. Yuri window, please. Tone. What do you mean Yuri window? What are you talking about with fucking Family Guy and shipping culture? Yeah, they probably use FedEx, I'd imagine.
Yeah, probably.
I don't think they'd be like a USPS. I feel like Peter would be like too distrusting of the government, you know?
Yeah.
How are you doing the debug output? So, we have a custom console that is just like over the screen, so that whenever something gets printed, it renders on screen for a little bit. If you care about the code, it's not particularly good. Is it the on-screen console? Is it this one? Yeah. So if you care about the code, it's not the best, but it's this, which I'll pan through this a little bit. Not all of this is relevant. Like some of this, like this isn't relevant to this. It's mainly about this part right here. I have a text queue, which is right here. It has this custom text item class, which is this. And we have a couple of static functions in here. Print stack is one that just shows the entire call stack. Print is one that is basically a drop-in replacement of the built-in print function, except instead of doing print, you do console.print. And also it puts a space in between everything because that's just like nice.
Video choice, we should make all of the explosion damage scale with the fire stat.
Maybe.
Since we're kind of doing the same thing with like the ghouls and things like that, I think that would be a good thing to do.
I think that's fine. This motherfucker's like, people were complaining that they one-shot the boss too easily, so let's give them more ways to one-shot the boss.
Yeah.
Honestly, fair. For I in points.size, I can say if I mod 2 equals 0, then we will append points sub I. Does that work the way I want it to? It does.
Another thing we could potentially, this could be dumb, but have like standardized explosion types. So like have like a regular explosion and like a small explosion and like a large explosion. So that way, you, like if you look at something and it says, oh, this, when it hits things, it creates a small explosion, and then it could have like a little text box that says like how much damage that is. So you know all small explosions do like 25% of your fire stat. I think that would work.
Yeah, I think so.
Attack damage is equal to we'll just hard code this for right now. I definitely will change this later for sure.
Mm.
Get component. Fire stat.
Oh my god.
Fire.
You know what I should do? Do you know how asserts work?
Asserts. I have no clue what that even means.
So an assert is it's kind of like an if check, but basically you give it like a conditional. So you say like assert player does not equal null. And if that's ever false, it will immediately throw like an error while you're in debug. So it will like break point and immediately put you there.
Yeah.
What I could do is make a util function that takes in like a date or something. And then anytime we do some code that's like, surely I'll remove this, we just put in like, I don't know, a couple of days from today or like whatever, so that in a few days that will have like an assert in it that just fails. And we like, it kind of like a reminder to ourselves of like, oh shit, wait, this code should have been fixed.
Maybe.
Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Or it's like what you said there where you're like, oh, surely I'll fix this. You could be like debug util dot remove by and then put in like, I don't know, 8.8 or some shit. And then it'll be like, yo, today is 8.9. What the fuck? And then it just
today
like crashes the game.
6.7. Yeah.
Don't 6.7. You bastard. Yeah, bastard. Actually, this should definitely return an array of vector 2.
Okay.
Oh, dude, Sumran Dev, is that the one that,
who is this?
is that the guy that you were talking about?
No.
That you, like,
who?
hung out with or whatever?
No.
No, that's not
I don't know who that is.
Oh, okay. That's not the... Okay. That's not the person that you were like, they, like, kind of smelled like shit today or whatever?
Yeah, no, it's not, no.
Okay. That would have been, like, really embarrassing if that was the person.
That would be really awkward, yeah.
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 Because I know you were, like, making a lot of fun or whatever.
Huh?
I'm just
What?
kidding. This is the person that you hung out with, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured.
Sorry.
We're just going to supernova.
How do I get the fire damage again? I forget.
Which
It's fire
part?
fire stat. The fire damage, not the affinity.
Like the stat?
No, the damage.
What?
How do I get the fire damage from the player? I forget.
You... Where the fuck are you? Fire affinity handler. Does that have access to the thing it's attached to? Is it like... Does it have user or whatever?
Yeah.
Just do util.use... util.get component user fire stat.
Okay, yeah.
And that'll return a... I mean, it'll return fire stat, and you can do like dot value off of it.
Yeah. I still think it should be fire damage. I hate fire stat.
Well, fire damage is...
But I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to complain about it.
Yeah, fire damage is stupid, because like, what if it's not damage? What if it's used for something else?
It's all... But I want it to be damage. Because the number that shows up on the screen is damage.
I can't stop thinking about double mouse keyboard.
I guess.
Can you...
Maybe we have to make
Why
it...
not?
Yeah,
oh, I'm sure you saw this game dev post as well. There was a game where you were playing as like a cat doing something, and the menu had you like dragging a cat hand across the screen, and it like kind of followed your cursor. Did you see that at all?
No.
Really?
We still do need to add the custom cursor that's little paw.
Yeah, that's a you thing.
No, it's a you thing. You're the artist
Okay,
here.
so here's what I'm gonna do then. I'm gonna add that in, and anytime, but you will know that you haven't fixed it because it will be a boy kisser.
No, what you should do is you should take a picture of Callie's paw and like crop it out and make that the cursor.
And make it pixelated.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
What is
Sorry,
stat?
I dropped something on my desk.
What is this fire stat? I hate programming. Programming might be the worst thing known to man. Like, gross.
Yeah. Fun fact: that bit of code you're writing there would actually have been easier to write in Java because it would have used typed
this
method,
place.
which means that it would have returned.
Oh, by the
like,
way,
a template
Summer
type.
and Dev uses Rust.
Hmm?
Rust, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Rust
So they're
is
like
kinda
even
cool.
worse than I originally
And
thought.
sometimes, yeah. Well, yeah, because he's not the programmer. He's
Yeah,
the...
this is the artist stream. Get out of here, filthy programmer.
Damn, bro. First said that with a capital P. What the fuck?
Yeah.
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 I think he's the head king.
I'm the hidden king. Yeah. Sorry, that was not very
I was slandering
enthusiastic.
your game dev stream. Yeah, I was thinking about going back and after Dante's 9 stuff, trying some more stuff with Bevy, because Bevy was really fun. Especially now, I think it's gotten a little bit more mature since I tried it, and I think there's an editor-ish thing that you can use. Although I don't need an editor. I'd be making fucking ASCII games because I'm evil, and I really like...
You're like the worst.
Yeah.
What if you made an ASCII game and then I like modded it to have actual graphics? And
So
then
that's actually
everybody
called
was
a
like,
tile,
wow, the mod
like a
is so
tile
much
set.
better.
That's like a thing that people do.
Using Bevy? I thought you were using Godot with her. You lying to me? Or are you doing both? I imagine both. What am I doing? I don't need this one. Okay, your kitty paw cursor is done. Oh, I'm scared. I'm so
God.
scared. What
Oh,
am I
Lord.
about to get sent? Where is it? Oh wait, I forgot to make this have a... hip. These both like on the same project or like separate?
You can use both, yeah. Are you using
that's
like
crazy.
the Godot Bevy, like, is it this thing? Is it this thing with this ugly ass icon? If I remember.
Ugly icon where?
Like, maybe
I
they
wanna see.
removed the
Is it
ugly
as bad as
icon.
the Go mascot?
No, not that one.
Okay.
No, there was a fucking.
I want that plushie someday.
There was a Godot Bevy that I looked at a while back, and it had this really fucking ugly icon, as do mini programming.
Oh, I feel like I remember you showing me
it was
that,
like
and it was
the bird,
it was really
it was
bad.
the Bevy bird, but with a fucking like
yeah,
Godot
I remember that.
face.
That was something for sure.
They definitely got rid of this, I think, because they realized that it was ugly. No. I'm so fucking sad, dude. I saw... Here, I was looking at this on the fucking GitHub page. And there's this smell that you get whenever you're looking on GitHub or like anything where like everything has an emoji on it. And I was like, that's weird. But like maybe, some people do really like using emojis for their documentation. And then I looked. And there's a Claude directory in here.
Yay!
You can't call it D-slop and then use COD, you fucking bastard. You fucking creature.
This isn't a paw. You lied to me. You're so mean. I'm gonna cry.
That's funny as fuck. Wait,
My
can you
paw.
send that? Can you send that to me?
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, I'll just forward it. I'll use the new forward
New?
function in Discord.
New?
Yeah, it just came out like a week ago.
No, it didn't. What are you talking
did.
about?
Some Rendev loves AI, by the way. They're like, I love Claude.
Yeah, I can tell by the way that they
Sorry.
screamed AI no in the chat. They definitely seem like someone that would be like a big AI proponent. So
Yeah.
honestly, I'm very happy to hear it. You know, we need more AI devs in the world.
Forwarding has been in Discord for like a year.
It's been
you're
a
lying.
very long time.
You're lying.
Yeah.
They're rage baiting me. I will not fall for rage bait. What is that emotes? I need to add emotes on Twitch. I don't have any emotes.
You have to.
Do you have to like?
You have
Do
to
you have to
partner.
like be like famous or whatever to have emotes?
You have to do the Twitch affiliate thing, which means
Yeah,
you're at
okay.
you
I guess
have
I'll set
ads on
that
the
up.
stream.
Maybe I should do that.
You can if you want. Did I do this the wrong way? I did. Yeah, this is supposed to be global position minus collision. So why the fuck are you pissed?
Or maybe I'll wait till I'm famous to have ads. How do I get famous on Twitch? Should I start view botting?
Man, I sure wish there were some AI viewers that I could use.
Yeah, for
Man,
real.
that'd be so cool. Oops, I pressed. Oops. Oopsies.
Did I spell threshold properly?
Probably not.
Probably not. Who cares? Spelling might be the worst thing, like, known to man.
You're right to push back on that. I'm glad you think so. I fucking hate AI. Like, so much.
Hire me to clip farm for you? Honestly, not a bad idea.
Alright, JW, can you look?
Um,
Let me know when you're looking.
I'll consider it.
What?
Yeah, I'm looking.
I mean, you'll consider it. Consider
Mhm.
what?
Consider looking. I'm looking now. I consider
Okay,
it.
well, I'm no longer doing it because you said that you were only considering looking.
I hate this place. This place sucks.
Yeah, pretty much. Sorry, I did a little gnome laugh. That was a very... That was very Moaz of me to do.
Yeah.
So if I put down this thing, if I hold down... What? Oh, I'm not Q redrawing. Lol.
It'd be cool.
So-
I see GitHub right now.
So I know that this button or these
Am I supposed to be seeing something?
so yes. So do you see those red dots?
Nope.
You don't see the red dots on my screen?
Hold up. Your stream might be broken.
My stream might
There we
be
go.
broken.
Okay, never mind. It was busted.
No, you were busted.
I had messed something up. No. It was me. Yeah, it was me.
So you see these red dots?
Yeah.
Do you know what those are?
Let me think. Are those vertices of the collision shape?
They sure are. If I turn on
Whoa, I might be like the smartest
force
person
collision,
here.
so it's a little hard to see, but it's where the
Mhm.
circle meets the collision, and so
Mhm.
it will give us a set of directions that we can push away from. So if I hold Alt, it will push it away from the ground. It's pushing at a constant rate rather than like not a constant rate. Or yeah, like it should push more the closer it is to the ground, kind of thing. But yeah, that should hopefully be that. So if I were to like, is there anything else that counts as ground that I can spawn in? I guess there's the the cloud, or not the cloud, the cat tree.
Yeah.
Does it move away from that? Sure fucking doesn't.
Because it's all drop to platforms. It's a separate layer.
Oh, you're so right. It is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, then I could
Baking
even...
cookies in a log stream when I told you, IRL cooking stream at 500 Twitch followers. With Bitlytic.
What? No. I don't
In
wanna be there.
Bitlytic's apartment.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that, dude. They're moving away from it.
Kind of sick.
And now they're
Hold
no
on.
longer there. Now they're no longer touching it. I don't currently have it do it for this, but wait.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Use
Wait.
the other way. Can you use little mushrooms as tables, please? Like on the stream? I mean, we could probably get some little mushroom tables.
Oh my god, JW.
Yeah.
They push away from each other. I don't even have to write. We don't have to write extra code for the fucking areas because the areas can be added to the query.
That's kind of sick. Hold on.
Whoa.
We can make it a little faster.
Well, yeah, I just have it set to like constantly move 20 units away per second when I'm holding Alt. But I honestly, I would probably want this to do something like diff is this.
If your elemental power is green, it's poison. but
Your elemental
green
power
is
is
poison.
green with stink lines, you fucking smelly bastard.
Moaz be like,
Yeah, I was
Sorry,
like,
sorry, that was mean.
Wait, how do you do gravity? Is it
Gravity?
Hold on, let me think. The closer something is, the more force it exerts on it, so it would be like 1 divided by the length? No. Yes? Maybe. Like 100
Yeah.
divided by the length. Diff dot normalize times that something. This feels wrong, but maybe it is. Push direction plus equals that. These might go like flying away. Oh no, they're not. That's cool. That's fun. It's like kind of surprisingly like there are these like shapes that are emerging, which is really fun and cool. I don't know why this one is flying. Why? What are you flying from? Oh, it's not excluding itself. That's why.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, there we go. Now it's no longer colliding with itself.
Cool.
Flowers blooming.
That's
Yeah,
pretty
it
sick.
sure is. Oh yeah, like look at this, JW. Look. So I put a bunch
Whoa,
of them, and
that's
if I hold
kinda
Alt, it like kind of works
That's
actually.
actually kind of fire. Hold up.
And then I can do something like var velocity. We can have an actual velocity here. And
What happens if you put them in like a room? Does it like fill up the room? It's literally Counter-Strike, like the adaptive smoke or whatever.
what?
It's like Counter-Strike adaptive smoke.
Yeah.
I forget who it was, but I remember a long time ago when I like first started Godot.
Made a
I remember
smiley
seeing
face.
someone.
What?
I saw someone made like a
Oh, God.
adaptive smoke in Godot. It was pretty cool. Oh, they are phasing through the floor.
Probably garbage, I think.
Yeah, I think that's who it was. The goat. I'm gonna test to see if my thing actually works. My explosion sheet. This will probably work. Is this Dante's first war crime? No. It's his 10th. It's like his 9th. Get it? Cause Dante's 9. Sorry, never mind.
Heh.
Can you explain it? So, in Dante's Inferno, there's 9 layers of hell, which is referenced in the hit game Dante's 9, where there are 9 layers of
Hit
hell,
game.
and the character Dante,
Yeah.
and those are the only similarities between the two.
That's true.
But it's funny because there's 9 layers of hell, so like 9 war frames. I need to be shot and killed.
What
Holy-
the fuck did you? Why did you say
Holy-
9 warframes? What?
Because I was trying to say war crimes.
No.
But it auto-corrected to Warframe.
GW, no.
Oh, it's over for me. It's over. No, no catnip for me either tonight.
Oh shit.
Hmm?
Oopsies. I don't know
Got
why
us
they did
Neuralink
that.
from Rebecca Ford. Crazy. What did you do? Oh, is it just like work?
Kind of, but they phase through the ground because they don't they don't push back from the ground enough. They also push away from each other way more than I feel like they should.
I think they're fine.
I guess they also probably need like a shader.
Yeah, you're also not putting them on a canvas layer, so they aren't like
Well, I don't think that
all
would
connected together.
matter.
Not canvas layer, sorry.
Canvas group?
Canvas group. That's the one. Because what you can do is you can put them all in a canvas group, but then just like change the self-modulate of the canvas group, but then they'll all be transparent, like evenly. That's what I was planning on doing. And then you're like shader, and I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. I can probably get rid of this this part where I'm telling it specifically to
61
hold
errors.
Alt.
What?
Now it just moves, right? So if I like spawn one in, sure fucking doesn't. What the fuck? Why is it not affected by gravity? Oh, because it doesn't have any collisions. Lol.
Why is it not exploding?
Whoa, dude. Look at this. This is kind of sick, no?
Let me see. That is kind of sick.
They're kind of like...
I mean, you could just give them a bubble shader, and then if they phase through the floor, who cares?
That's true.
You could also potentially have
Whoa,
like a...
that's so cool. Sorry, hold on. If I spawn one up, because I have it affected by gravity, it'll like accelerate over time. A little bit, but it's like very slowly. You can see.
Yeah.
I think I can spawn one right here, which would like cause it to accelerate faster. Yeah, and then it hits the ground. And it'll kind of like push itself back out a little
What
bit.
happens if you spawn one in the ground? Does it just like sit there? Or will it like try to get out?
It looks like it's attempting to get out. It'll get
That's
stuck
kinda
at the collision, like the intersection, because down
I
there
see.
there's those.
Okay.
So if it's too far into the ground, it looks like it might. Oh,
Yeah. But that should be fine.
yeah,
Especially if you put like bubble shader and another shader on it, who cares?
yeah.
I would just
9
hopefully they won't be too
warframes.
laggy if there's like a bunch of collision shapes everywhere doing all that.
I mean, let me spawn in like a bunch, and then, I mean, obviously my computer's like
Besides
pretty
them
good.
phasing through the floor.
Huh?
Besides them phasing through the floor, yeah.
Yeah. Like, I mean, my computer's like pretty good, but
You could
like,
probably make like the acceleration from the floor a bit higher than like everything else.
yeah.
Because if it's the same, then like if the force from the other ones is higher than like, because there's like 10 of them pushing up against each other into the floor, then the floor is pushing back with the strength of like one of them, so it just phases
Yeah,
through.
you're right. Dante
So
after
you
one
should-
Taco Bell? Bad tone.
Dante.
No. I don't
mind,
want that.
never
No,
mind.
no. We're not going there. We're not going there with this one. I don't like this. I don't like this one. Not a fan.
Dante, Jupiter, because it's a gas planet.
No.
Bowser fart gif, but it's Dante.
I hate this fucking place. I hate this
Oh,
fucking
you
place.
created this place.
Dante ate the Taco Bell lettuce. Oh my.
Hey, I went to Taco Bell
God.
the other day and I got a taco and I survived, so it's fine. Taco Bell's safe. What am I doing here? Why isn't this working?
Sorry.
What? Did I not connect this properly? Hold on. No, I did. Why is it not working?
Dante can have a Pop Tropica style spin-off game.
Oh,
JW, did you ever play Pop Tropica?
A little bit, yeah. I don't remember much about it, but I did play it.
That checks out, actually.
What do you mean? Why no work? Oh wait, am I stupid? No?
I don't remember how the fuck math works. Is this like... If I do... Oops, sorry.
Oh, the gong.
What is the... console.transdiff.link? What are you usually? 64. And if I put you in the ground... Oh, it's actually always... 64. Weird. Oh, maybe I need to be using the other collision thing. I'll use the odd one instead. Yeah, that looks like that might give me...
Oops. Oh, wait. I see.
Why is it going down? Okay, yeah. So I make this 1 over diff.length. That pushes like
There we go.
that.
Okay, now that works.
If I make this 100 over diff.length, it pushes like the exact fucking same, unless I'm smoking crack, which maybe, I guess.
It might be. You never know.
Let me see. Whenever I did a thing with gravity, it was... I think I did like diff divided by the distance squared, I want to say. Which made it so that the gravity had an impact way more the closer you were to it. But I don't...
Okay, that now works.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so the fire affinity now works, kind of. I just need to like balance it and stuff.
Mm-hmm. I just need to balance
But
it. Biggest lie.
yeah, now
but the biggest truth ever told, but biggest that's not happening ever.
yeah, I need to go through all the. Once I'm done with all these, I need to go through all the stats or affinities and add like the levels and stuff because most of them just have like one level right now. Because I just want to make them work first. But the fire, it has a chance to set things on fire, and then if something's on fire, once you hit a certain level, which is currently 1, anything that's on fire, if it dies, it'll explode. Why is there errors? Spawn object. I need a call deferred on spawn object. I don't know which one of these it is.
This is the one that I care about.
Don't forget we have playtest tonight. Is that what we want to do?
You have playtest tonight. I have League of Legends. Sorry.
I hate this guy.
Me too.
But I also have to open in the morning, so if we could do that sooner rather than later, that would be nice. So I may end stream soon. Add a metal pipe sticker that just makes it do the metal pipe sound every time you hit something. That's a pretty good idea.
I'm glad that you you took my recommendation, which is
Wait, what was your recommendation?
you just like always tell people thank you for the feedback, regardless of whether or not
I'll
they're
remember that.
giving you.
No,
good
I'm
feedback or
gonna
not.
tell you if your feedback is terrible. But that's great feedback. We will add that.
I did something wrong, JW, but it's very fun.
Okay.
So whenever they touch the ground, they
that is
bounce
fun.
up because the amount of force that they get is a lot.
Yeah.
I also have this. Oh, it's also a problem. Oh shit, dude! Boing.
It's gonna fire.
They also are currently very attracted to each other, which is
Yeah.
surprising. I don't know why. I don't know why. Let's You went that direction. That was very interesting and not the direction I expected you to go. Oh shit, okay. Oh, it's because it's on the inside of the thing. I see. Kind of. What? So what I want this to actually do is I want this to go from the closer you are to it. So can I do a division here? Does this scalar division? Hell, it does not work. Yeah, okay, fine. Does this work? That does work. Does that behave the way that I want it to? Oh shit, something really cool's happening there. I can't help but notice that whenever they touch the ground, they disappear. They're popping. The bubbles are popping. Ignore the fact that the FPS went to 7. Ignore the 6,000 errors that are complaining about something being an infinite vector. Just, like, don't think about it. Actually... What? Diff.length. Diff.length is going to be a number 64 divided by diff.length. S. So can I say times S? Then get rid of all of these, then spawn a bubble in. Hey, that fucking flies away like crazy. They're still attracted to each other, which is funny. I really like the way that they bounce off the ground. They definitely shouldn't, but I do like that it happens. It makes me happy.
It is a little silly.
It makes me smile. Why are you bouncing? Why did the other one bounce in? I guess the other one was too far in. So this would give me a direction pointing from our current position to the point. I don't remember what the fuck these points look like. Debug points. Just show me all of them. Show me all the points. Ooh, yeah, that looks really fucking cool. Actually, it's not supposed to, but it does. Look at that, dude.
Why are they doing that?
Because that is rendering the current collision points that it's seeing.
So it's seeing like all of them.
Yeah, so because there's a bunch of bubbles here, and they're seeing like their collision points. Let's get rid of all of them and just spawn one in. Okay, nice. Yeah, just don't render shit. It's fine. I don't really care that much. Okay, I know what's going on.
Here, I'll ping Mr. Parts. Or no, maybe he just pinged me. That's somebody else. That is Mr. Parts. He's eating some food, but it'll be ready in 10-15 minutes.
Whoa.
So, I'm ready to get out of here whenever you are. I hate this place. I'm just kidding. I'm lying. I love streaming. Streaming is fun.
Why do I feel like you're having a fight with yourself right now?
I'm not.
You're like that one episode of SpongeBob where Patrick kicked his own ass. Not that you would know about that because you didn't watch SpongeBob.
Yeah, I know that one.
You didn't watch SpongeBob?
Yeah, I watched SpongeBob.
Yeah, right.
I know that one.
Yeah, okay, for sure. Oh yeah, you can see the point shows up for a second. Nice. Okay, cool. How can I...
SpongeBob. Sponge boy me Bob.
No, that's cool, dude. I just didn't expect it to be Chinese is all. Like, it's fine. Oh, shit, dude. Yo, nice cannon, I guess.
Chinese? Is that a Northern Lion reference?
Is that a Ludwig reference?
True. We love Road to Empress 2. Whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called, right?
Bro doesn't even fucking know. He's like, yeah, yeah. I love Mandarin.
That's just how Chinese I am. I don't know what it is. It's just called that game to me.
That's crazy.
The glimpse into my Chinese
it's just
life.
that game.
It's just the game to me.
This is the game because there's no other game that it could ever be.
Yeah.
I can't 100% understand what fucking numbers are being output from this function, I'll be honest.
Yeah, I don't know either.
For I in debug points dot size. If I mod 2 is 0. Color is color dot red. Otherwise, color is color dot green. Maybe yellow or something that isn't the same color as the fucking fart cloud that's being drawn. I hate you. Shut up.
What? What did I do? I literally didn't do anything. I'm just sitting here.
You're going,
I'm sitting here scrolling TikTok, and you're complaining.
Yeah.
Like, what did I do wrong?
Exist.
Yeah, fair enough.
Find, or no, time scale. Dude, check out this such cool debug feature. Look at this. Look at my screen. I go time scale.
I can't see. There's a Maxwell in front of the console.
I could put 0 in, and I can put 1 in. But if I want to bind these to keys, I can highlight it and I can tab, and then it immediately wraps it in a bind statement, and I can just put the fucking key that I want here. So bracket left is now timescale 0, and bracket right is now timescale 1, which means that I can immediately now just bind my shit to the fucking buttons. I'm binding my shit. Call me Isaac.
Whoa.
Why is this red? Oh, because I didn't do this right. You know what I mean?
This first chord of the song that just started was the same as one of my songs from my band. Whoa. That's crazy. No, but this song's kind of goated too, isn't it?
Is it from Piku Niku?
No.
Oh, I think I understand what's going on here. So the yellow point is how far into the object it currently is. Or, so I can get, like, I think yellow minus red should get me how far out of the thing it needs to be pushed, perhaps. Although in the cases like this is weird. Yeah. I think I can do that. So yellow is my... Is that the first one? If I mod 2 is 0. Yes. Okay, yeah. So P2 is that, so I can do P2 minus P1, which will give me the direction here. And then I can do something that's like... I guess this is an issue for whenever it's like this. Although, actually, maybe not. Let me see. So if these two are next to each other, who is currently being drawn? I guess the only way to find out is to fucking run it. So instead of the points, I'll add the directions to this. And instead of getting the diff here, these will actually be the directions themselves. Oh shit. Yo, look at this fucking... Look at this. This is kind of cool.
What?
Look at this
Why is
fucking
the train
biblically
on
accurate
fire?
fucking...
Why is the train on fire?
Because before I was displaying debug points relative to the circles, but now they're the collision directions rather than the actual points, and so they're offset from 0, 0.
That's very funny.
I don't like the way that they are, like... You shouldn't be pushing yourself into the ground. How are you pushing into the ground? Why are you down there? Whoa! Why are you down there? What are... Knock it off. Why is it down there? Uh-oh, something just went to fucking infinity. I see that. Uh-oh, abort. Okay. And also you... All of you need to knock this off now.
This is very entertaining to watch.
I'm glad you think so, man.
Just kidding, I'm scrolling TikTok.
Okay, now they're like actually there, which is fucking weird. Yeah, we're making a poison cloud. JW had this idea for something, and he wasn't able to get it to work last stream, and so I'm here to try to get it to work. And currently, as you can see, it's not exactly going as well as I would like. Hee hee fart. Thank you, Moaz. Very cool.
Why does it say you hurry up on my screen? It says
What?
hee hee hurry up. Why did it translate that? Why? I hate Twitch or YouTube chat. Why does it do that?
That's funny as fuck.
That's a live chat. Doesn't make a difference. No. Why does it? Is there a way to like turn this off? I'm so confused.
Oh shit, Moaz. We were actually just talking about you a little bit ago.
Oh yeah, it's like green aura with flies or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pharaoh's curse type shit.
Moaz, you wanna hop on tabletop and like do a draft or something?
Why is this? What? Why is it going down? Type shit.
Okay, I'll be on in like 5 minutes once you finish stream.
What?
Maybe tomorrow night. I have to work I have to open in the morning, so I probably shouldn't like stay up and do draft tonight. Because we also are doing a playtest with Mr. Parts.
I'm writing.
But yeah, I do want to do draft again sometime. Yeah, you probably are. Where did they go?
Uh-oh. I saw it happen. I saw it happen live. Someone got sent to the fucking back rooms.
RIP.
How did I move the line down like that? Is there a line that I moved down somewhere?
I understand what's happening less and less.
I might have, I don't know. Alt and
I
up
don't know what's
and
going
down
on.
moves the line around. But I think I might have also just like copy pasted. They do have a little bit of gravity, yeah. Oh shit, someone went to fucking infinity again. I don't know how. Someone's getting sent to fucking infinity and I don't know who it is or why it is. That's okay, I'll make this work a little bit better later, but... Okay, did you want to end stream then and do whatever the fuck it was?
Yeah, because
you were talking
playtest.
about?
Okay.
I'll be drinking my tea and shit.
What?
What? What? Wait, where's the...
What?
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 Alright, well, we will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll probably stream on Sunday, but I won't be streaming next week or the week after because I will be out of state.
Yeah, I might. Nah, maybe, I don't know.
Maybe not Sunday, yeah. I don't know. I will have to see, to be honest, because JW might have some shit on Sunday as well. But
Yeah, I might play
the
Magic.
playtest is
Or might
updated,
not.
so
We'll see.
if you go on Steam and request the playtest, or if you've already done the playtest, there should be an update available because we added a bunch of shit and fixed a bunch of shit and broke a bunch of shit. So, yeah. But we will catch you guys later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.